How to set up Grubhub for restaurants. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Grubhub for restaurants and tap on the very first link in the interface that you will be led to. Now, tap on the sign up or get started button. Go ahead and fill out the sign up form with your restaurant's information, which includes your restaurant name, address, phone number, cuisine type. Also enter your business contact details such as your name and email address. Now, wait for Grubhub to contact you. After submitting the form, a Grubhub representative will reach out to discuss your restaurant's setup and requirements. They may request additional details such as hours of operation, menu items and pricing, photos of your dishes, which is optional but recommended. Now set up your account. Once approved, you will receive access to the Grubhub for Restaurants portal. Use the portal to upload your menu and descriptions. Set pricing for your items. Specify preparation and delivery times. Now, choose your service type. Grubhub offers two main options. First, delivery by Grubhub. Grubhub provides drivers to handle deliveries, and second, self-delivery, where you will use your own staff or delivery drivers to fulfill orders. Discuss these options with your Grubhub representative and choose what works the best for your business. Finally, promote your restaurant. Grubhub will list your restaurant on its platform and app for local customers. You can boost visibility by running promotions or discounts through the Grubhub portal, purchasing advertising on Grubhub to appear higher in search results. So, this is how you can set up Grubhub for restaurants. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.